Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel ABC All Baking and Cooking. Today we are going to make sheer kurma, which is mostly made on Eids as a sweet. For that, first of all, we have to soak 6 to 7 dried dates, which are also called chore, overnight. First of all, we will take half cup of shortening. After that, we will take 4 to 5 green cardamom. We will slit them open and add them into the shortening. After they crackle, we will add 1 cup of vermicelli sevaya and make sure they are the thicker one. We will add the vermicelli into the clarified butter. Fry them until they get golden in color. They changes their color, and then add half glass of water. So the vermicelli will get softened up. After that, add half liter of milk and let it cook on very low flame until the vermicelli absorbs all the milk and they get softened up really. Now we will add again 1 liter of milk, and again we will let it cook on a very low flame. That you have to add in total 4 liters of milk, and we will add it parts by parts. At this point, we will also add the dried dates which we soaked a night before. After that, we will also add raisins, 7 to 8 or up to your choice. And now we have to add 2.5 cup of sugar. If you want to go less sugar, then you can add 2 cups of sugar, and if you want more sweet, then you can add 3 cups of sugar. Finally, add the almonds, roughly crushed, and let it cook on low flame until you get the desired consistency. You cook the mixture on very low flame so that it doesn't get stick with the bottom. So our sheer kurma for each special is ready. Serve it by garnishing almonds, raisins, pistachio, whatever the garnishing you prefer.